In nature, life is found everywhere. The variety of landscapes throughout the earth promises none but some or the other life forms best adapted to their surrounding conditions. Depending upon the habitat, plants and animals display distinct characteristics that enable them to survive even in difficult conditions, like climate of that area, and major factors affecting life include solar radiation, air, temperature, nature of soil, and availability of water, etc. Let us talk about ecological adaptation in birds and animals according to their habitats. Under aquatic conditions in rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, the organism poses a streamlined body that helps them swim swiftly. Fishes use gills for respiration and use gases dissolved in water. In marine water, fishes have to conserve more water, while in freshwater system, water continuously enters inside their body. Therefore, fishes start moving to other areas in these conditions. The next stage of evolution are amphibious conditions, where life form migrated from aquatic to terrestrial conditions. Those birds, animals, mostly reptiles, could survive here, which developed ability to respire in air. Therefore, life forms like seaweeds, barnacles, etc. adapt to both conditions. Thus, frogs, turtles, snakes, crocodiles, and among birds, ducks, penguin, and mammals such as whale and dolphins best survive in amphibious conditions. These animals have streamlined, large-sized body, light and spongy bones, no external air, and eyes shifted on the apex of face. The next are terrestrial conditions under which both types of life form are present, are with sufficient water availability and the other with deficiency of water. In water scarcity, animals develop selective food habits. They conserve more water in their body. Most animals burrow themselves into deep layers of soil during daytime. They remain active only during night. Some migrate to other areas during critical water scarcity periods. Grasshoppers, ants, bees, butterflies, etc. are seen only during rainy seasons. Animals like kit fox and jackrabbits have large ears to reduce the water evaporation and regulate their body temperature. The kangaroo rat can live throughout the year without drinking water. Camel can withstand dehydration up to 25% of its body weight. Some desert birds use salt gland to maintain water balance in their body and feed on dry seeds only. Birds and animals undergo dormancy state during extreme climatic conditions. Hibernation is practiced in winters where dormancy helps breathe and heartbeat go down and their body temperature drops. In cold areas, fur absorb heat and in polar bear hollow hair fibers helps to minimize connecting heat loss. A very interesting type of adaptation is to avoid the predators by applying various techniques like making warning signals, cryptic appearance, and mimicry of some other organism. Some animals change their skin color according to the surroundings. In this way, they easily hide themselves from predators. While in mimicry, the vulnerable organism superficially resembles another organism which is avoided by the predators either due to bad taste, smell, or toxicity. Thus, the prey confuse the predators in order to survive. Thus, we can conclude that organisms apply best strategies to survive in their immediate environment, which is necessary for their existence. These adaptations explain how the life exists and gives the reason why other life forms become extinct in nature.